160 divided by 15. Here 15 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 15. 15 times 0, 0, 15 times 1, 15, 15 times 2, 30, 15 times 3, 45, 15 times 4, 60, 15 times 5, 75. To find out the multiplication table of 15 easily, just add 15 with the previous step. 0 plus 15, 15, 15 plus 30, 30. 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 15, 60. This process will continue. 15 goes into this 1 current dividend. How many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 15. So 0 times 15, 0 times 15, which is 0. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down next digit 16. 15 goes into 16. How many times? 2 times 30, which is greater. So 1 time. 1 time 15, 15. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down the next 0. So 15 goes into this 10. How many times? Actually 0 times, as 10 is less than 15. 0 times 15, 0. Subtract, you are getting 10. So our answer is 10, remainder 10. Or if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will you do? Just take here a decimal, then add zeros. Bring down the first zero. But before this zero, there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the question directly. Now 15 goes into 100 how many times? Okay, let me check the multiplication table. 7 times 105, which is greater, so 6 times. Take here 6. 6 times 15 equals 6 times 15 equal to 90. Right, 90. Subtract again 10. Bring down next 0, 100. Again 15 goes into 100 6 times. Look, this 6 is repeating, right? So you can place here bar. 10.6 bar is our answer.